love feeling like a bad bee with nails on? Do you want your nails to last for 2 weeks for cheap without having to spend over £30 or $30, whatever you are, or 30 whatever, 30 euros? Do you want your nails to last with £2 nails that you bought from Shein or Primark? If you want your nails to last long, like these, this is a perfect tutorial for you, because your nails is going to be lasting for 2 weeks, and you're going to be forcing them to come off when you want them off. I have struggled so much with nails. Ages ago I had an obsession with nails like I do right now, and those nails only lasted for 2 hours. Not even a day, 2 hours. But now 2 weeks. This is my bag of nails. These are the nails that I'm doing. The nails that I like the ones that bend. And then I have Kiss nail polish. I've attempted to use this Kiss. I bought it for myself. It lasts for 2 days. But I was not professional. I wasn't doing the right thing. Now I've done research and I know how to apply nails. I'm using this file. Right now I'm just measuring my nails.
She a baddie, she showing her panties. She shaking like jelly. 100 bands of Chanel, but I'm still shaking.
If this does not fit, I've learned to just get a file and just, file it. Until it does fit.
My name Ice, but I always stay hot. Passenger princess, he passed me his knock. Baddest little bitch from my block. Me and baddies be getting along, so they always be singing my song. Stepping outside, I'ma put that shit on. 300 and then I perform. You know I'ma get to the bag. Or the hating bitches to the back. Too much to lose, so I cannot react. Damn bitches be going outside. She a baddie, she showing her panties. She shaking like jelly. 100 bands of Chanel, but I'm still shaking ass in a deli.
I'm struggling to find my sizes, so I'm gonna keep doing it and I'll come back to you when I have it, and then we'll come with the next step. Okay, so I got all the nails I need. Normally I stack them, and now the next step is to have a file. It needs to be very rough to apply your nails. Scrape all that skin off, all that oil off. Now that your fingernails are ashy, now you're going to get your glue. I had wipes, but I'm going to skip that stage. It's not mandatory. Start off with my thumb. I'm gonna get the Kiss glue. Don't want to tilt it. Paint over. You're gonna also put glue on your nail, especially on the tip. Then you wanna go at a 50 degree angle. Push your cuticle as you're doing it and press down, let it flow. I missed a step. A smart step is to actually is, I think it's actually smart to file as you go. So yeah.
Take a look inside your heart, is there any room for me? I would have to hold my breath till you get down on one knee, because you only want to hold me when I'm looking good enough. Did you ever fool me? Would you ever picture us? Every time I pull my hair out, it's only out of fear that you'll find me ugly and one day you'll disappear, because what's the point of crying? It was never even enough. Did you ever want me? Was I ever good enough? He doesn't see her, and I'm looking at
So far, I'm pretty proud of them. Sorry I look a mess, but yeah, I'm pretty proud with these nails. They're cute, and yeah. Okay, yeah. So now you want to like clean the sides of it with wipes or cotton bud and spirit. I'm ripping these off on Monday. It's because I'm an engineer, so I'm probably not even allowed this on. Do I have a double chin? Do I have a double chin?